Box breaks at 10:56 p.m. Eastern Time on the 12th of November. We'll break Luminaries case or box number 8. Random teams. I'll do person number 9 after this. Here's what we got. We got Bradley, Scott, Justin, Joey, Eric, Scott, Anthony, Joey, Bradley, Mike, and James. James, I'm pulling for you, man. You've been in every box. I haven't hit shit. All right, guys. Bradley on top. James on bottom. Anything higher than 4, guys, 4 letter to reroll. James on bottom, Bradley on top. Anything higher than 4. 8 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Starting off with Scott, ending with Justin. Appreciate you guys filming so quick. Oops. Sorry, I hit the wrong button. Alright, here we go. We got Scott Braves, Orioles James, Justin with the Red Sox, White Sox go to Scott, Joey with the Cubs, Reds go to James, Bradley with the Indians, Rockies, Tigers, and the Astros, Mike with the Royals, Bradley with the Angels and Dodgers, Marlins go to James, Anthony with the Brewers, Twins go to Joey, Scott with the Mets, Yankees go to Joey, Eric with the Athletics, Phillies go to Anthony, James with the Pirates, Padres go to Mike, Eric with the Giants, Mariners go to Bradley, Joey with the Cardinals, Rangers go to Bradley, Scott with the Blue Jays, and Nationals go to Justin. Count to 10, guys. If anyone wants to do any trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, no trades again. Good luck, guys. No autograph patches yet. Disappointing. Let's hope for a big cut auto or something in this case. All right, guys. Good luck. Got 4 left. Price at $210. Retail is $248. Cheaper than anyone around. All right, it's getting better, guys. How about a 2 of 10 Nolan Ryan? It's going to be Houston. There you go, Bradley, your 3rd one of the night, and it's a nice one. 2 of 10 on the autograph relic of Nolan Ryan for Houston. Congrats, dude. Your 3rd one of the night. You are on fire. Alright, guys. Sorry for those who didn't hit. Unfortunately, there's only 1 per. You can only give out 1 per box. Go ahead and post 9 if you guys want to do all 12 tonight. I'm going to keep going until it dies. Alright. Appreciate it, guys.